car product unboxing today. Not only will this product keep your vehicle clean on the inside, it's easy to install and could last the entire lifespan of your vehicle and then some. What product am I talking about though? I'm talking about all-weather floor mats. Let me manhandle this thing here. Here we go. So why would you get these all-weather mats? Well, you just bought an MDX. You spent a lot of money on that thing. Don't just get the regular cloth carpet material. That's gonna wear out. Your feet's gonna rub into it. Hard to clean. Just get these. They're all rubber. You can secure these right here with this right here. Locks it down to the vehicle. You got the driver's side right here. You got the passenger side right here. Then you got the back seat right here. For you with kids dropping all those Cheetos and all that stuff like that, gonna be easy for you to just get the vacuum cleaner. You can also scrub these nice and easy, water them down. So much easier to clean, so much easier to dry. That's why these are a great extension to buy as long as you buy the MDX, because these are for your MDX. So you all know how to insert these, okay? You just flop it down. This thing goes right here on top of the thing that locks it in place. There it is, boom, locked in place. All right, guys, so because I had so much struggles up front putting that in with one hand, I just plopped it down over here so you can see. Check it out. Nice and easy, guys. You just lock it in right there underneath the driver's seat. And over here in the passenger seat looks awesome. You are going to keep this nice and clean with the kiddies in the back or your entourage. One more little product for you guys that doesn't really cost that much. These things are like 26 bucks. You got the all-weather mats. Inside is looking good, nice and easy to clean. Get yourself some valve stem caps. Show off, not only in the front that shows the logo all across the vehicle, you got valve stem caps that also show that you love Acura. Not that big of a deal, pretty cheap. Make it look pretty nice on the valve stem right here. That's it today for me, Brandon, helping you guys out, showing you what kind of Acura gear you can get after you purchase your Acura MDX. These are great for the front, great for the back, great for anybody who's gonna be inside of your vehicle, keeping this thing clean as always. And of course, the valve stems are just a nice little touch. You guys take care. If you have any questions, go into the comment section. I want to know what you thought about this video. So subscribe, like, comment, do anything you want. Please, trolls, stay the hell away from my comment section. I don't want you in there. I want good people who live in Las Vegas specifically. Talk about Acura, talk about Mazda, talk about all these cars. I'm going to be back soon, guys. You guys take care.